You know, there's something absolutely mind-blowing I've been exploring lately. Your brain. And here's the wild part. Science is crystal clear about this. You can literally reconstruct who you are every single time you learn something new. Your brain physically rewires itself. It's honestly unbelievable when you pause and really take that in. These changes? They happen through something called neuroplasticity. Think of your brain like this. It's basically soft, shapeable clay, constantly being molded and remolded. And here's what's even crazier. This reshaping isn't rare. It's happening every single day of your life. Your self-image isn't some still photograph on a wall. No, it's more like a live video recording, constantly updating itself. Your thoughts, your words, your behavior, all of it is hitting record on who you believe you are, moment by moment. But here's what most people never realize. Before learning, there's something equally important: unlearning. Think of it like your computer. Before installing new software, you sometimes have to delete the corrupted version causing problems. Your brain works the exact same way. Those old beliefs, those truths you accepted without question, they're basically outdated programs running in your mental operating system. And now, let's talk about something affecting every one of us: your digital identity. Your social media persona isn't the real you. It's a carefully curated highlight reel, one that can trap you inside a version of yourself that isn't authentic. So here's what needs to happen. It's time to separate your true self from the digital shadow you've created. And to help you do that, I want to give you a simple but extremely powerful exercise. Write a goodbye letter to your old self. Not in your head, actually write it. Thank that version of you for surviving, for learning, for trying. Acknowledge the journey, and then release it. Because you're about to build someone completely new. Section 1. Mindset Engineering. Now that you understand your brain can be reshaped, let me show you how to engineer a mindset that creates unprecedented success. Your mind literally constructs your reality. And this isn't motivational fluff. It's a scientific, psychologically proven fact. Think about the most successful people in history. What they did wasn't just working hard. They built something known as a reality distortion field. Take Steve Jobs. When engineers said something was impossible, he didn't accept it. He questioned reality until the impossible became doable. Your brain processes around 400 billion bits of data every second, but you only consciously notice about 2,000. So, what chooses those 2,000? Your beliefs. They filter your perception, showing you what you expect, not what's actually there. So let's upgrade your mental operating system. We start with better thought patterns. When something goes wrong, most people ask, "Why is this happening to me?" Instead, try asking, "What can this teach me? How can I use this?" This is called cognitive reframing, turning every experience, even painful ones, into fuel. Your second brain matters too. And by second brain, I mean your personal knowledge system, the way you capture, organize, link, and grow ideas. Most people let valuable insights drift away, but you're going to do the opposite. You'll build a system that stores every idea, every lesson, every strategy, creating a knowledge network that compounds like interest. And here's the key. Massive transformation begins with tiny identity shifts. Don't try to flip your whole life at once. Just reshape one habit, one belief, one daily action. Those micro shifts stack up silently until you become someone completely new. Section 2. Time Mastery. Your brain doesn't feel time the way clocks measure it. It experiences time emotionally and event by event. That's why a vacation week disappears in a blink, but one boring meeting feels endless. Your perception of time is flexible. And once you understand that, you can learn to stretch or compress time to your advantage. Your brain can focus deeply for about 90 minutes. After that, you must recharge for about 20 minutes. Ignore this rhythm, and you burn out. Work with it, and you become a productivity machine. Think of your day like shifting seasons. You have natural peaks, when you're sharp, fast, creative, and valleys, when your thinking slows down. Most people ignore these cycles and wonder why they struggle. But you won't. You'll map your energy and schedule your most important work during your highest hours. Now, about deep work, the kind that pushes your life forward. Your phone buzzes, notifications pop, social media calls your name. And here's a brutal statistic. Each interruption sets your brain back 23 minutes. But I'll show you how to build an unbreakable focus system. First, craft a workspace designed to kill distractions. Second, set deep work hours that are absolutely sacred. Third, train your attention like a muscle. And then there's time blocking 2.0. Don't just schedule tasks, schedule becoming. Block time for learning, block time for thinking, block time for rest. Your calendar isn't a schedule, it's a blueprint for the future version of you. Section 3. Physical optimization. Your body isn't just a vehicle for your brain, it's actively shaping your success or decline. Movement alters your brain chemistry instantly. When you feel stuck or mentally foggy, it's not just your mind acting up. Your body is generating that state. And the beautiful part? You can reverse it. Think about animals in nature. A lion doesn't do repetitive gym exercises. It stretches, pounces, sprints, rests. Your body craves natural movement like that. When you start moving the way your biology intended, your energy explodes, your mind clears, and your nervous system resets. Now let's talk about one of the most underrated performance enhancers: sleep. When you sleep, your brain does 3 critical things. 1. Processes everything you learned. 2. Repairs your body. 3. Cleans out toxins. Sleep quality is more important than quantity. 1 hour of deep sleep can outperform 4 hours of shallow rest. Picture your brain as a high-end biological computer. Just like your laptop needs proper power and care, your brain needs the right fuel. Certain foods actually upgrade your neural hardware. Omega-3s build healthier neural pathways. Antioxidants protect brain cells. Proteins create neurotransmitters. This isn't just nutrition, it's neural enhancement. And here's a shocking truth. Your body replaces billions of cells every day. You get new skin every month, new bones every decade. You are constantly rebuilding yourself at the cellular level. So the real question is, are you rebuilding a stronger version of yourself or a weaker one? Every meal, every movement, every minute of sleep is literally programming your biological age. Section 4. Social capital. The deeper I study success, the clearer it becomes. Relationships are your greatest currency. And I don't mean followers. I mean meaningful, strategic connections that unlock opportunities you can't yet see. Think of your network like a living ecosystem. Every interaction strengthens or weakens it. Every conversation opens or closes doors. Most people leave their network to chance. You won't. Before someone hires you or partners with you, they look for one thing: evidence of value. Most people sit around hoping someone notices them. High performers do the opposite. They intentionally build a track record. Use something I call the mentor matrix. 1. Identify the skills you must master. 2. Find people who have already mastered them. 3. Study how they think, solve problems, and make decisions. Good mentors don't just teach you skills, they upgrade your operating system. Influence fascinates me. It's like gravity. It's always working, whether you understand it or not. Every action, every word, every project signals your value to the world. And here's one last lesson about community. When you surround yourself with people who share your ambitions and standards, your growth accelerates automatically. One person alone can only go so far. A well-built community creates exponential impact. Section 5. Emotional intelligence. Your emotions aren't random. They're precise messages from your nervous system telling you what needs attention. Think of them like notifications, signals designed to guide you. Here's what actually happens during emotions. Your heart rate changes, your muscles tighten or relax, your breathing shifts, all before you consciously identify the feeling. Learn to read these signals early, and you can redirect emotional energy before it spirals. Most people react instantly when triggered. But here's something powerful. Between a trigger and your reaction lies a tiny space, and inside that space is your ability to choose. The answer isn't eliminating triggers, it's expanding that space. That's how you transform emotional reactivity into emotional mastery. Emotional intelligence isn't about being nice. It's a strategic advantage. Most people communicate the way they want, but true EQ is speaking in the emotional language of the person in front of you. Every time you sit with a difficult emotion instead of running, you grow stronger. Every time you stay calm in chaos, your resilience expands. You're not becoming emotionless. You're becoming emotionally skilled. See your emotions as allies, not enemies. And now that you understand emotions as intelligent signals, you can begin converting them into catalysts for growth. And this is just the beginning. Part 2 of this transformative guide is already on its way, where we go even deeper into decision-making, skill acceleration, and integrating everything into one unified life system. Thank you for being here. Next, we move into Part 2 and unlock the extraordinary potential waiting inside you. And hey, if you enjoyed this, make sure to subscribe, hit like, and share your thoughts below. Your voice matters.